This is much, much better for them now. Do not jump on me! Ah! Help, help. Logan's on.
Female, she's a little light. Oscar, Oscar. There you go. Go, 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 go. Double peacock.
Everyone eating is nasty out. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today's a rainy day out on the farm. We're just feeding all the animals here. We do a lot in this video. I mean, we go from catching bonitas, like tuna things offshore, feeding sharks, to farm animals, and then getting new fish. So we got a busy day ahead of us. Hey, she wants to say hi. Look at her trying to get through the fence. I'm coming. She's biting the fence. She's gonna follow me. Here, give me a hug. Give me a hug. Oh, hey, buddy. Hi, Lady May. Hi. Look at her hug me. Look at that face. Aww. You give me hugs? Oh. You gonna do it again? Oh. This is the cutest thing. Do not jump on me. Ah! Help, help, help. There's a legit 300-pound pig on the back of me. I thought you were trying to play with me, but now I'm starting to think something else. You're breathing awfully loud. Fully extended snorting, listen to her. Yo, what are you doing, girl? Ah! Get off, I'm done with you. You're a lunatic, locking you out. No, stay out. Look at her trying to bite the fence. No. Jeez, you really, I don't know, man. My shirt went from blue to black. How you doing, goats? All the goats are up top. You're a little wet turkey today, huh? What's going on, Bubba? It just stopped raining. I was literally using this umbrella to stay dry while it was raining. One of my worst throws to date right there. It's because I was lefty. I gotta switch hands. Watch this grenade launcher right here. Way go. Oh gosh, not you. Oh gosh, that's a straight welt right there. He got me good. Gosh darn it, Gary. Anyway, we're feeding all the animals right now. And inside this 4,000-gallon pond, we got some new fish. Later on in the video, you're gonna see what those are. I'm super excited to show you. We were just presented with the perfect opportunity to get some super cool species. So, I'm gonna feed the turtles. A couple for the baby turtles. Here you go, guys, ready? Woohoo! But inside this pond we have new fish. Before we get to the new fish, I went fishing offshore. Y'all know a lot of my content started fishing. I used to fish sun up to sundown every day until obviously YouTube started taking off. I went fishing the other day and I filmed it on my GoPro. I wasn't even gonna bring a camera. I was like, you know what? I'm grabbing a GoPro. Just in case we catch some fish, I'm gonna have a camera on me. And we caught some fish. Offshore fishing in Jupiter, Florida. Enjoy it. Get him, Logan. Yahoo! Get him, Logan.
See, that's why we
work him.
a little bit.
Work him.
Mando, where you at with the gas?
I'm here.
This is our bait. It's called a bonita.
Oh,
That's the bait right there, baby. Logan, Knuckles. Yeah. This is called a swivel right here, and we're gonna use about what are we working with, eh? Regan, it's a bit rocky out here. Let me tell you, 4-foot seas. Don't worry, guys. I can't see the water. Sheesh. Logan's hooked up. I'm finally rigged. I need a chunk of bonita, boys. Jeez.
Yeah, that's not a bonita.
Dude, this is a nuisance amount of shark. Cut
insane.
clean.
Oops.
Well, Chad is over there messing with sharks, which is what you're gonna see a lot of until I hook up on this, but I'm dropping her down. She's dropping about 142.
Is that where we're at?
142 feet down right now. Not marking much, but.
All right, bro.
Yeah, that's my boat. You're reeling that fish.
Frank. Oh! Nope, I got your jig though. Logan's on. A little baby bonita. A little baby, Logan. You're just catching them left and right out here. This is just a little baby, so we're gonna release him. There you go. Oh, ready? And he's gone. To live another day and grow bigger. Now that you're back from that little fishing adventure, if you want to see more stuff like that, drop a like, comment down below. Let me know. I will gladly get on the water and fish, maybe even get a boat. If you think I should get a boat, hit the like button. 30,000 likes and I will get a boat and I'll start doing videos in the water. It's all up to you. Smash the like button. The gar is just picking away with one of the new Oscars right there. So I was presented this opportunity from a buddy of mine. They actually brought fish over. They told me they're moving out of state and unfortunately they can't keep their fish nor their pond. They gave the pond to one of their other friends, but the fish I got. So we've got 2 peacocks, more red tails, Oscars, some really, really cool fish, and I was super excited to be able to put them into the 4,000 gallon pond. Sadly, we had that pH spike the other day from lots of this rain happening. Now I've kind of figured that out, at least I hope so. So we lost some fish. To replenish that, we got this opportunity here, and I filmed it all. Of course, the 4,000 gallon pond, getting new fish. Here we go.
It's a female, so she's a little light color. We got a red tail, hybrid, Oscar. Oh, and the little rhino pleco. My boy's over here hooking it up. And the pond is looking clear, so he's been, what did you use? A friggin' pool noodle to acclimate them. You gotta do what you gotta do, it works, right? All the new fish, so we're gonna put them in. He ain't liking it. Look how pretty. Yeah, he's kind of the same size as a lot of the smaller ones, so. Gosh, it looks so good in this water. Oh my god. Look at that pink. That pattern is popping. Yeah, for real. Those lines on his back. Look at that. Sheesh. There you go, red tail. She's feisty. Oh, she's nice. Yeah. Look at them. They're chilling. They're gonna go crazy. I'm not trying to get spiked. There you go. Go. Double peacocks. Dude, those are so pretty. I think it's a male and a female. See you later, buds. We should have put them in the pond over there. That would have been sick. Oh my god, yeah. That's cool though to have in here. Oh, look at the colors on that. That's nuts. Yeah, buddy. It's nice to restock a little after the pH spike, huh? Right, yeah. We lost a couple. Yeah, we can just grab the pleco. I have one of these plecos in here. There's a little rhino pleco. Super pretty. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Wow. Oh, doing flips. There we go. See you later, buddies. Look at them. Look how pretty those things are. You can see a bunch of shiners, like, they literally ate and then spit up because they had so many. I'm telling you, they ate so many that they could not eat anymore and they started puking. There's another one. So pretty, bro. I know, it's insane. Nuts. Everything hangs around. I gotta get more structure in here. Some sort of driftwood. I mean, I have a little bit of wood here and you can see how everything just hangs out.
The structure helps a lot. It just gives them more.
Even the soft shells back there. Everything hanging out. Look how yellow those albinos are. Well, that's a platinum, but I actually made sure the fish were all fed and full before I put fish in because I've had the problem in the past where I put fish in and the big catfish that I had prior are still hungry. They end up eating the new fish, but now look at this. Squad up. Dude, that's literally a full squad. On camera, it looks nuts. Dude, it looks so crazy on camera. Look at them all. All these dang dead shiners looking like the red tide over here. Let me get these suckers out of here. The catfish literally ate all these and spit them out. Look at all the baby minnows I just got with it. Go, swim away. I think, what do you think, bro? In person, the pond's a lot bigger, right?
Oh, dude.
1,000 times bigger. Because some people are like, oh, it's overstocked. This thing is massive.
He could easily fit.
It's like an ocean.
Although this is probably maxed out here for me.
But yeah, this is so sick, bro.
They're stoked, bro. They look happy. They look very happy.
I'm more than happy.
And there's their little Raphael cat.
It is now like 3 or 4 days later since then, and let me tell you, the fish are doing great. Now you can see down there the 2 peacocks. It's kind of hard. Let me hop up. It's better to see from above. Gosh, Gary's bite's really starting to hurt. There's the peacocks. They're swimming with the red tail. I got an arrow to one of them and the arrow to the other one right there. Both peacocks. So this pond has new species inside of it. There's their little tiger Oscar. Gosh, they're quick. Those peacocks though, nothing beats those. beautiful fish. We actually have a, oh gosh, I hit my head on that light. We have a pair of peacocks in our pond out here. Let's go check out that pond. So 4,000 gallon pond, new fish. It's starting to rain though, so I gotta hop down. Let's go look at the other pond across the property here. As you know, there's like arowana, koi fish, peacocks in this one as well. Nasty, nasty out these last couple of days. I have the tents for the hogs as well, by the way. I gotta set up while I'm here. Wow, I don't think I've seen this pond this full. It is deep, bro. It is so deep. It's so high. It's probably like 10 feet deep right here. Look how dark it is. All around the pond is deep. It's a big pond. This weather is so bad though. I won't be able to see anything in this weather, but there is 2 peacocks in here, koi fish, and I see some of y'all's comments asking to see the fish out here, so I decided to come out, but it's not the nicest, but I tell you what, I gotta get these tents up, and I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film with this camera because I don't wanna break my brand new camera. Inside this box right here, I've got both sunshades. They're huge, they're like massive. It's a lot bigger. We got this one for this enclosure, that'll be done right here, and there it is. Just like that, it is in for these pigs now. They have some shaded area and some drier area if it's just raining. By the way, that was a lot more work than I thought to do alone. It's very hard to do that alone, but I did it, soaking wet. Now onto this one. I need to do another one right here. This shade makes that shade look like a baby. This is massive. It is covering a lot of space, and as you can see, it's real muddy under here, but the pigs are hanging out under here already, right buddy? Yeah, so much better. Now hopefully that'll keep a little bit more sun off them. They do have their house that's always dry, and that house is back there. They were all in it when I first pulled up, but they see me and then they think it's food. But that house is all dry in there. They have these covers, and when it's not raining so much, it's not as muddy in here. But again, they are hogs. They love the mud. This is much, much better for them now though. As you can see, a lot more coverage. And then these guys have theirs over here as well. So boom and boom. Good job, piggies. To distract pigs, just throw food on the ground. You can work in their enclosure the whole time and they won't bug you. Now that we did all this, we're gonna go back to the other house. I'm gonna feed all this stuff in the fish room. I've done a little bit more work to the pond too. I might give you a little sneak peek. I will see you at the other crib. So we are back at the fish room and the pond looks so good. Here's all I'm gonna show you. Oh, wow. Whoa, the liner is on. That's all I'm gonna say. Here's a quick look. Here we go. Woo! Unfortunately, that is blurred. I'm sorry. My peeps over at API. Holy moly! Told them, I said, I got a shelf empty. Need some API food on it. This is what they sent me. This is what they sent me. Everything you could freaking think of. Oh my god. Look at that thing of flakes. Holy moly. It's just gonna look pristine. Right here. Woohoo! Talk about food. I do sponsor videos with API because I love them so much, but this in particular is not sponsored. Thank you so much, guys. Definitely a great touch to the fish room. It looks amazing. Oh God, oh. Axolotls, what's going on in there, buddies? Already fed the axolotls and the saltwater tank this morning. These betas down here have eaten as well, but I want to show you these guys. They love when they feed. I open this up and look at them all rise. Premium beta fish. These guys are so pretty. Look at them. Look at the colors. Let me get these lights off. You don't see anything like this. It is just incredible. They're all waiting for me. We grab beta. Oh yeah, they're going crazy. Nothing better than watching beautiful fish like that just chow down. Close this. I accidentally closed it too hard one time and cracked it. She likes these sinking pellets right here. I'll just drop them in and watch this. There she goes. Hello reflection, but flower horns have some substrate now. It's not just glass anymore. It looks way better. Right, buddy? Drop their food in the back here. African cichlids going crazy. Look at them. Little bullets. Ew. The fish room is looking good. We need to get our mantis shrimp for this here soon. This has been cycling for a little bit now. Soon we will be getting a mantis shrimp for that. I just wanted to thank every single one of you for watching. This was definitely more of like a vlog style video, just hanging out with me for the day. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to subscribe down below. It's completely free. Subscribe, and I will see you right here in the next one. And it'll probably be part 2 of the pond build, because my dude Hector's here.
What's up, man? Working.
So I will see you right back here in part 2 of the pond build inside that fish room, where you figure out whether I did freshwater or saltwater. Oh, it's hot. See you in the next one. Peace.
I made a big old sandwich.